Pretty cool stuff. Alright, y'all, so I got me a BIGDOG BlackJack. $3 grand. Get it, use it twice, and of course a big chunk came out of the blade, out of the belt, so had to go buy another belt basically to get this thing off. There's a plate that goes over that one, take that off. It's a plate that goes over those two back there. You gotta take this plate right here, take that off, and then you should pretty much be able to get the belt off just by pulling these up. And you shouldn't even have to take these off, you should just be able to pull them up a little bit and pull it off. But I'll get y'all when I'm done, hopefully. Alright, y'all, finally got it all back together. Basically took about 9 hours because they don't have the belt size listed for this machine. It actually takes a 70 inch belt, which I had to go get from Rural King because Home Depot don't sell it, Lowe's don't sell it, Tractor Supply don't sell it, and all the mower dealers around here in Louisville try to charge you $130 for a belt I just paid $50 for. So it was a headache. Basically, there's your diagram. Got to take those two bolts off. Well, you don't have to take both of them off. The left side, the right side, you don't have to, you just need to break it loose. The left side you need to take off. Got to take that plate off with that nut. Got to pull the tension pulley off, which is easy. And basically just follow the diagram they have on the other side. I gotta try to go get me some work done. This has been a frustrating day. 8 hours blown for nothing. Alright, y'all.